Both arms float out to the sides. Gather the energy in front. Bring it into the heart. And then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms circle in front, making two loose fists. The forearms come towards each other as you round the back, then reverse direction as you open the shoulders and chest. The arms go out to the sides. Then rounding the back as you breathe out, and then breathe in as you open. Spinal cord breathing. Lubricating the joints of the spine, stimulating the energy along the spine as well. One more time, spinal cord breathing, like a good morning stretch. Then the arms float out to the sides and down. The fingertips point up, coming up the center, rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, coming up. Breathing out, softening down. Gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, and they spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Opening the shoulders and chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over. The fingertips point down, coming down the center, spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Coming down, softening to the earth, rising back up, letting go. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, making two loose fists, the hands brush out to the side. And going out to the other side. Two fists, side to side. Once again, moving from your center. The arms follow. Shifting the weight and breathing. All right, one more time, two fists side to side. Then the fists float down. They circle all the way up and over and around, turning the wheel. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably, and then you can stay pretty tall if you like, or if you want more challenge, you can sink down a little bit lower. All right, one more time on this side, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over and around. Breathing in, coming up. Breathing out. Turning the wheel. Once again, you can soften down even lower as the arms come down for some more challenge. If you like, you can always stay tall. One more time, turning the wheel. And then circle the arms in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Opening the shoulders once again, lifting up towards the sky. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides. You can keep the spine neutral, or if you like, you can do a side bend. Once again, easing in. One more time, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, coming across up high, and then medium, then down low. Floating back up, we'll do another round, swimming dragon, opening the wrists, the elbows, and the shoulders. You can even lean into it if you like. One more round, swimming dragon. Just feeling the sensations. One more time. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms float all the way over to the side and down. And then the back hand here is gonna lift the moon into the sky. The palm faces down as it brushes across the water. Then the other hand lifts the moon. Coming across again, lifting the moon. One more time. This time, both hands float up towards the sky, palms face up as we gaze at the moon. Palms face down, drifting across. They rotate, looking up towards the moon. Switching sides again. All right, one more time, gazing at the moon. Then the arms circle all the way around in front. Take your time, hug the tree. Bring it right to the center. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingertips point down as we dip down towards the earth. The hands come forward, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Digging in the garden, coming down, rising up. All right, one more time. Digging in the garden. And then we'll reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down, as we harvest from the garden. Circling the arms around again. All right, one more time. This time, round out, hug the tree, right out in front. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. This time, floating up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. All right, this time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. Then release, circling around, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart and step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back and push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, stay with me. The hands float all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. So scooping under, gather in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just taking your time. No rush. Just moving mindfully. One more time, pushing the mountain. Then this time the hands float up, coming up and over, down in front of the body. Tai Chi circling. Almost like we're gathering in this energy, washing it right through the body, creating healing and vitality. One more time, Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. This time the arms can stay low as you drift side to side like tall grass in the breeze. A nice gentle sway. All right, then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low. And as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and the mind. All right, one more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, breathing in, the arms open, breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, and we'll sync the chi. Breathing in, gather into the heart. Softening it back down, breathing in, breathing out. Sinking the chi, grounding the energy. Right down the body. One more time, sink the chi. This time the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. The hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. feeling all the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.